on already.
Yeah, people pull out of car parks and just rub their front bar all the way
Glenn,
up my side skirt.
stay.
You're going to drop down in a sec. Just go slow into that.
Plus I
There you go.
chopped the Suzuki Swift in half. That's the second bar I've had on it.
Yeah?
That's it. Beautiful.
Glenn.
Beautiful.
So yeah, I'm past the first scratches.
That's it. Keep hugging that wall.
I rode a Suzuki Swift off.
Can't have on top.
And drop again.
Yeah. Doesn't have a little dent in the front bar, and ARB doesn't fix them, so you got me a new one.
Yeah?
Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
Great.
That's it. That's it.
The other way.
No, keep going straight. Dead straight. Keep going.
Just straight, man.
Yeah, keep going. No, straight. That's it. Perfect. Now you're sweet. This is a bit high.
Glenn, up.
A bit narrow than that. He's a bit like you scraped on that.
Yeah.
I have to go this way. This way, this way, this way, this way. That's it. Perfect. You good? Good job.
Loving it.
Shut
Nice work.
Did that touch it?